Yeah, family. So as you can see, this is the pool area. This is the pool area, and I like they have these things in the pool. As you can see, you can just sit in it. If you don't want to go inside the pool, you just sit in it, and you just relax while the water run on you and stuff. So this is very creative. I like that. And the pool is cleaning right there, as you can see. Um, yeah, so this is the pool area, guys. So we um, actually just come to actually get some
Chill.
to chill a little.
Before you get back to the room.
And also get some sun, get the sun bath.
It has been calm.
Yeah,
It's fine. Chill. Come on.
as you can see, guys, the ocean is over there.
We'll do marina.
Marina, the boats. As you can see, guys, the boats is there. I think we'll be going on a boat ride today, right? Or tomorrow. Tomorrow we'll be going on a boat ride. Yeah. Yeah, family. This is like just like the pool area, and the kids' pool area is right there. Yeah. Oh. So just gonna sit down and get some
Sun bath.
sun bath,
Warm.
warm. So this is this is like the executive room. As you can see, guys, the executive room is right there.
Really executive from the outside.
Every room has an hammock. That's what I like about it. So family, this is Hotel Verde. Madame Yard Hotel Verde. Meda Zanzibar, a par. We are par down a Zanzibar. Yeah, family. So I actually just enjoy the breakfast. Let me see how much I can relax on this thing. While we get some sun bath. And I like we have a little table right there.
Yeah.
You can just put your phone.
Bedside.
I'm actually uploading a video right now, and just to let you guys know that the internet in Tanzania is very slow. I've been uploading this video from like maybe like 5, and it's still uploading, and I'm using the data. I think maybe it doesn't work well in Zanzibar, but in Dar es Salaam maybe it works well. As you can see, family, it's like 99%, and it's still going. We're enjoying the seat.
I'm enjoying.
It's very comfortable, don't you?
And warm.
And warm, yeah.
Guess it was banned by the sun a little.
Yeah, as you can see, the sun is there. It's not out fully, but it's there, family.
Has been covered with a cloud.
Yeah. Yeah, but that sense, sweetie, to be honest with you, I really don't feel. I really enjoy this. I really feel like when I get like in age and stuff, I really want to be in an environment like this.
Yeah.
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 I always say,
You don't plan for.
I want like a beach home.
We don't call them the beach what?
Beach homes. I always say I want a beach homes family, because you know this is what you need when you retire, you get old and you have your grandkids and stuff.
Watching.
You want to be in a tropics like this.
And you want to be here watching
Yeah.
the sun being cleaned.
So you know, and most people like they live in house like apartment like this. Mm. You have a nice house out in the tropics, like you buy a piece of land out here and stuff, and do your thing. Yeah. Mm. Yeah, family, the sun is coming out now, as you can see, and you know the morning sun is the best sun. You know, in the midday the sun gets so hot.
Like feel
Really
like
get-
sleeping the way I'm full.
Yeah, the breakfast was good. We really enjoyed it, and we just here chilling, family. So continue like, continue share of Jam Tours Africa. Continue subscribe while we show you what Africa has to offer. Because you don't know, because the media don't show you this. So we got to come and show you. We have to live the reality. You know what I mean? You have to change the narrative. You have to, you know what I mean? You can't live the reality of the TV. That's what they say. I think maybe there's that when the sun get too warm, should have to maybe switch to that place right there. That one right there.
But the entrance will be covered in a field.
But you see them have sun and some under the gazebo there.
Yeah, there's shade.
So there's
Not even near the shade.
let me show you family. So there's shade. So if you want shade, you can actually go inside of that gazebo.
Yeah, of course the sun can really get hot.
Yes, if the sun get hot, you can go inside your family. So guys, this is Ankeru from Jam Tours Africa. Like, share and subscribe up to the video. We give you a 360. 360. 360. 360.
Guys.
Yeah family, so we're in a car with Amesh back in Nairobi.
And
Amesh is in a car.
Hamish baby. Hamish baby. Hamish. Nana. Nana. Hamish. Nana. Look at him smiling.
He's smiling.
Hamish. Chacha Nana. Evans. Ehen. The drama and the mokedi there.
The sun, look at the sun. Peace and love, African family. Peace, love, and sunlight. This is Ankeru from Jam Tours Africa. As you see, family, this is for the kids. The kids. So from the sunbath to the swing. This is a swing. So guys, if you know what this is called, let me know. As in Jamaica, we call it swing song. So if you know what this is called, let me know, family, because I am at Hotel Verde and it feel like me da yard at Hotel Verde. So guys, this is like, as you can see, the boats to go out to the prison island. This is the boats, family. That's the boat. Prison Highland. We down a Zanzibar and we da me a par down a Zanzibar. This is how you sit on it.
I don't know.
It clean?
Yeah.
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah.
Clean.
Yes, it is, of course.
It is. Yeah, family. Wow.
I was just chilling.
Yeah, guys. So this is Jam Tours Africa family showing you Zanzibar. You want luxury? This is a luxury hotel, Verde. Hotel Verde. Me da feel like yard. Me a par down a Zanzibar. What? You want to show me? Guy. No, but is that? Remember, say it's up. Okay, let's step up and go.
There's stairs.
Yeah. There's not stairs. Where? There's no stairs to step up. You'll have to step up. Step up, because of your time this.
Clouds can go away.
Oh, you want the sun?
That's the prison island over there.
Yeah. Let me see if I can catch it from here.
That Nanyo has not reached yet. The one with containers.
Yeah.
That's how it is.
Let me see if I can catch the prison island for you guys from here. Prison Island. That's the prison island. That's the prison island family. Prison Island. That's not it. Prison Island. Prison Island. Yeah, family. So my phone dead, like dog. And one thing I wish I did have, family, is a power bank. So this is just like a travel tip. That when you travel, family, and you like say you're a vlogger, you're gonna like record what you do. It's always good to have a power bank, because when you video, it takes up a lot of battery. Take a lot of your battery when you video and stuff. When you're using your camera, when you're using your phone to record, it takes up a lot. So you're enjoying this thing.
I'm loving it.
Yeah, so we're from the sun to a cool little to a swing that you can swing. Yeah, family. This is Hotel Verde. And as you can see the view, family, from here. You can see the view. Hotel Verde. Hotel Verde. You can see the view. That's the view. Hey family, so like, share and subscribe to the video. Let us know your thoughts. We are out.
Atakaye na aje.
Aha.
Zanzibar ni njema. Atakaye na aje.
Yeah, family. So we're gonna actually, experience the massage chair. These are the massage chair, family. So we're gonna experience it. The massage chair. So you turn it on like that. So that's the remote that you use to actually. Yeah, family. So we're actually in the massage chair. It's my first time in this, and it's like, wow.
Wait, it's jugging you like that?
Yeah.
Not
But the hand not moving, my hand. There's no.
The hand is not moving? Oh, you're shaking yourself?
No, sweetie.
Alright, let me sit
it's
on
very
it.
nice. I could sit in this
The whole day.
every, you know what I mean?
Okay.
So every day we can come here, like.
Yes.
I can
Any
come
time
back in
of
the evening if I want.
any time of the day you can just come here.
So
Ah.
how do you work it? Can I? Well, you will assist, or you can come.
Just come to the reception.
To the
Someone
reception.
just attend you.
Ah, okay.
No worries. Hakuna matata kabisa.
Hamna.
Yes, engineer is here. I'm
Oh yeah.
engineer Othman. I'm operator.
Yeah.
Another can call me Mr. Oxygen. I'm everywhere.
Everywhere.
Yes.
Wow, sweetie. Guys.
You're welcome.
That's it.
We're gonna come and actually do this every
Morning, evening.
before we go to bed. We come and do it.
Yes.
Yeah, it's like a real exercise. You know what? God, the hand. come close. Yeah, family. So as you can see, we're in the massage chair, and it's very exciting. I'll have maybe buy one of these from my home. Sweetie. Yeah, I'll have to get one of these. I think this is very good for like when you're actually in old age. Sweetie, I'll have to get one of these, sweetie. Yeah? I'll have to get one of these. So how it feel? It feel nice? Yeah. What you can do is push back on it. Like push your back on it. Yeah, and it touched on your spine and stuff, you know. Wow. Yeah, I'll definitely have one. And go down to your bottom. Watch it. It's going everywhere. Yeah. Wow, family. Wow. Guys, this is like the deal.
And the neck.
And the neck?
The neck.
No, I know. You have to relax. Let me go way back down. Let me get some of that. So my foot is moving now, my back. Wow, see. Wow, this is like very pleasurable and enjoy. Wow, it's coming up and then squeeze up your hand. Squeeze up your hand, yeah. The thighs, yeah. Yeah, family. So Hotel Verde, I'm a yard. Wow. Yeah, we'll come back later. And come on, guy. The back. Yes. Yeah. Wow. Wow, guys. Wow. The legs and the hands. Okay. Wow, it touches good. Yeah? Alright guys, I want to enjoy this now. So for now, and you go all the way down to your down here in the sea, down here, in your thighs here. Yeah? Down at the thighs. Yeah guys, so this is Ankeru from Jam Tours Africa family. Like, share and comment on the video. Let us know your thoughts, family, in this massage chair at Hotel Verde. Feel like me damn yard. We are Pardon as Zanzibar. Yeah. So guys, let me go and enjoy. Guy, the hand.